big news from this region in the AI space. Yesterday, a new LLM, open source LLM called K2 Think was released, and there has been a lot of social media posts regarding this. This is from a industry institute of foundation, which is part of the Mohamed bin Zayed University of AI. This paper has been released, and a lot of people are talking about the how different it is, what are the technical aspects and everything about that. This is the technical paper that was being released as well, which is a detailed 23 pages report about this. There it is available in Hugging Face, GitHub and all those platforms, and there is a web portal also to try it out. Coming to what is the unique thing about this, I had gone through this paper, and that's the reason why I took some time not to just talk about the user interface and other things, but how this is different. This is a small model, as you all know, and we will go into the details of it, but big reasoning and real-time answers. It is a 32 billion parameter open model focused on math, code as well as science, designed for step-by-step reasoning that can not only answer short answers but also big answers, complicated answers that are there. Why it matters? Why is everyone talking about this specific K2 Think? Because it competes with much larger models, making strong reasoning more accessible. That is there. If you can see the comparison with its counterparts that are there, faster output reduces the latency and cost for the long chain of thought answers that are there. How it works, there are 6 pillars that are built. This K2 Think is built upon. First is the long chain of thought supervised training that is there. Then we have reinforced learning with verifiable rewards. This is the second thing. If all these details are mentioned here as well. The third is plan before you think. This is outline first and solve second. The fourth is the best of n sampling. This means try a few candidates and keep the best. Speculative decoding, wherein it is going to speed up the generation. And the best thing about this is the hardware optimized serving on Cerebrus WSE. So the speed breakthrough that people are talking about is approximately 2000 tokens, which is very fast per second. I remember in Grok we were touching approximately 800 to 900 tokens per second, but this is like 2000, and WSE enables long step-by-step solutions to appear quickly. The top performance on competition level. So in the open source, it is doing very well in the competition. If you go down, you will see all the details about IME, HMMT and the Omni Math Hard. These are the things that it is doing amazingly well. These three tests it is doing good, as well as it is strong on the coding, live code bench and psych code, as well as in science in the GPQD, which are the benchmark testing for these LLMs that are there. And a very big takeaway for builders is structure the model's thinking, plan first and then generate multiple candidates and select the best. Combine the good training data, simple test time scaffolding and fast serving. So it is available in K2 Think. If you go to the website K2 Think, you will be able to look at it, and weights and code are also available for hands-on experience that are there. And I'll be sharing this link of this paper. It's a 23 pages paper where it is giving us all the details that are there. And if you go to this paper, it is also going to give you the link of the Hugging Face and the GitHub. So if I open the Hugging Face, you will see these details about this specific model that is there. I was just experimenting with this model K2 Think. I was looking at it, and this is the website as well. You can go and play around with this website. So it is available. It is also available in Transformers, use import pipeline, and also if you go to k2think.ai, k2think.ai, and it is available for all of us to play around with it. So let us just sign in. So it's a Google sign in. You can also, there are some sample questions here. You can try to see the speed of this. It is, as you can see, 2178 tokens per second. So this is the total tokens per second, and this is the speed, and it was able to specifically think and answer very fast. So this is the speed. It is very good. You can try out different things that are there. You can play around with it. I've already signed in. You need to just sign in once, and you can see the speed of these things. There are some examples here that is already given for you to look at. It is thinking, and it did this calculation, and this is the tokens per second, and you can see the process of thinking. It is all these thinkings very quickly. So the speed is something that is there. Experiment with some of the things that are there. This is one thing that we always ask: how many balloons fit in A3800? So let us see how, because I'm sure that this is they have overtrained for the sample questions, but I know how many balloons fit in A380. So it took a little bit time, 1833 seconds, but it gave us approximately a number. It did this analysis. If you want to think about it, it checked the volume and everything. So it is doing pretty well. So these are the things that are there. The good thing about this is that you can download it. You can download this particular model. You can in your local system. This is the README file. It has given you all the ways of doing it as well. So you can play around with it. You can try to see what is happening and take it further. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You saw how it is different. Experiment with it, and do share your thoughts in the comments. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do that. It supports us to create more videos, and do share and follow this channel and share it with all your network.